Good morning, students.
Good morning.
In the last session, we saw the theorems. That is tangent theorem. What is tangent theorem? A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now, in this period, no need to explain what is meant by tangent. What is the converse theorem? A line perpendicular to the radius at its point on the circle is the tangent to the circle. Tangent segment theorem. A tangent segment drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent to each other. So students, on these three theorems basis and the concept of circle, we have to solve practice set 3.1. Now see the first question of practice set 3.1. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with a center C is given, that is a 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent. This is already mentioned in a question. Sometimes what happen in a question, it is not mentioned that the given line is a tangent or not. At that time we have to prove it according to the given information. Now here it is very simple. It is already given that C is the center of a circle, radius is 6 centimeter, AB is a tangent to the circle. On this basis we have to find out the answers. So if like this diagram come, draw in this way, we have to join the CA and AB. All of you know that tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Now according to the given information, your triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find out first, line AB is a tangent to the circle, C is a radius, so AC is a radius, it is given. So angle CAB is a 90 degree. Why? Because of tangent theorem. Just we have to mention this. So segment CA is perpendicular to the AB because from first, and the length of AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out BC, distance of BC. Very simple. Now this is a Pythagoras theorem. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Now in Pythagoras theorem, all of you know that angle CAB is a 90 degree. Therefore BC square is equal to AB square plus of AC square. So what we have to find out here? BC square. So AB square plus AC square is BC square. So 6 square plus 6 square is 36 plus 36. So what you will get BC? BC is equal to root 2 of 36. And therefore 6 root 2 is the distance of BC. This is not a, this is wrong here. Okay, in this way you can easily find out. Now in the figure, AC is equal to AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So angle ABC and angle ACB are the isosceles triangle theorem. So they are of equal measure x. Now in angle CAB plus of angle ABC plus of ACB is equal to 180. That is sum of the measure of angle of a triangle. And therefore 90 degree plus x is equal to 180. So 90 plus 2x is equal to 180. Your x you will get the 45 degree. So in this way you can easily find out. Next, in the adjoining figure, O is the center of a circle. From point R, segment RM and segment RN are the tangent segment touching the circle at point M and N. If OR is the 10 centimeter and radius of the circle is the 5 centimeter, then first what is the length of each tangent segment we have to find out. as well as measure of angle MRO and angle MRN. Very simple. Now just to saw the theorem. When the point is outside the circle and if you are drawing the tangent to the circle from that point, then they are of equal measure. Therefore, by using that theorem, you can write MR is equal to MN. Now let it be. See how to find out. Whatever given things, firstly write down. RM and RN are the tangent to the circle. Angle OMR is equal to angle ONR 90 degree by the tangent theorem. Now, OMR is equal to 90. So, OR square is equal to OM square plus of RM square. What is given? OR is 10. OR is 10, OM is 5. We have to find out MR square. According to Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OM square plus of MR square. So, by using that, we will get the RM, that is root 75 or 5 root 2, 5 root 3. So, RM is equal to Rn by the tangent segment theorem, just I said, because the R is the point which is the exterior of a circle. When you are drawing the tangent to the circle from the exterior point, then these tangents are congruent to each other. And therefore, this is a theorem. Which theorem? No need to write the theorem, just you have to mention the name of the theorem, that is tangent segment theorem. Rm is equal to Rn. Now, in triangle here RMO, OMR is 90 degree, OM is 5, MR is 10. Now, OM is half of MR. Okay, OM is half of MR. Sorry, OM is half of OR. OR is 10. Na? MR is root 75. OM is half of OR. If OM is half of OR means OR is hypotenuse. If one side of a triangle is half of the hypotenuse, it means that angle formed is how much it is? 30 degree according to the converse 30, 60, 90 theorem. And therefore angle ORM is equal to 30 degree. Similar way, angle ORN is also 30 degree. But MRN is equal to MRO plus ORN. Therefore, 30 plus 30, that is equal to 60 degree. So, in this way, we can easily calculate. Now, next, segment RM and segment RN are tangent segment of a circle with a center O. RM, RN again here is the tangent. So, OR bisect angle MRN. We have to find out just like a second question. Now see, in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, RM is equal to NR. OM is equal to OM because radii of the same circle. OR is a common side. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. By which test? Yes, side test. And therefore, angle ORM is equal to angle ORN. And therefore, OR bisect angle MRN. Okay. This all the reason to mention it is compulsory. 2 marks question. If you are not writing the reason, just you will get the 1 marks. Next question. This is also very simple. What is the distance between the two parallel tangent of a circle having a radii 4.5 cm? Justify your answer. Let line PQ and RS are the two parallel tangent to the circle at the point of contact M and N respectively. Through center O, we have to draw the line AB which is parallel to RS. It means that PQ is parallel to AB which is parallel to RS. Okay, just this is one construction part. Now, what is OM and ON? If like this, if you are drawing OM in ON at the radius of a circle, that is 4.5. Now line AB is parallel to Arius by the construction. PQ is parallel to Arius. Just I said, therefore all these three lines are parallel to each other. Now angle OMP is equal to angle ONR. OMP is equal to angle OMP or angle ONR, both are the 19 degree by the tangent theorem. So line PQ is parallel to AB. PQ is parallel to AB. So angle MOA or MPO. These are the 90. By the interior angle also you can say, or you can draw PMO is equal to AON, that is 90 degree, means here it is 90 degree. Therefore angle AON plus angle AOM is equal to 180. Linear pair. Therefore ray OM and ray ON are opposite ray. This is OM and ON. These are the opposite ray. It means that they are collinear. Which 3 points are collinear? MON. Directly we can't say, we have to prove these 3 points are collinear, and then only we can say that the distance between these two parallel lines, that is MO plus of ON, that is 4.5 plus 4.5 is equal to 9. If just you are mentioning these 3-4 points, you will get just half marks. This is the 3 marks question. So just firstly you have to prove this, all the points MON, they are collinear, and then we can write MN is equal to 9 centimeter in this way, and therefore the distance between the two parallel tangent of a circle is equal to 9 centimeter. So student, these two questions are the homework question. These questions you have to send me up to session time. Okay.